Hi everyone, I'm Richard, Product Manager from Hikvision LED Display.
Welcome to the Hikvision factory in Tonglu, Hangzhou, the primary production base for our LED displays. In 2014, we established our first LED production line here, initially in-house research, manufacturing, production, and sales. It's time to unravel all the mysteries surrounding Hikvision LED displays.
Here, every batch of material will be tested through a pre-entry sampling inspection by our professional staff. Lamp board solder paste printing is the first step in producing these components. To ensure even and full printing, the first automatic optical inspection will take place here. Lamp boards that meet quality standards will be sent to the mounting process. The fully automated workflow ensures that SMD LED modules are subsequently mounted on the board. Next, the board will undergo the second automated optical inspection, designed to prevent displacement of the patch assembly. Each lamp board that passes inspection will continue onto the reflow oven for cold and hot soldering. After soldering, lamp boards undergo an optical inspection by Hikvision personnel, ensuring that the boards operate correctly. Once the board passes the inspection, they will be taken to the air drying area by robotic transport. To improve patching efficiency, we have established multiple fully automated SMT patch lines, which can assemble a staggering 2.7 billion LED beads each month. The assembled cabinets are now transported to the auto-aging rack. Here, various processes accelerate and simulate the aging of each unit. This prevents hidden failures from being released, such as substandard lights, flickering, intermittent lighting, and others.
As we all know, LED displays are directly exposed to a variety of environments.
A robust LED screen is a prerequisite for excellent performance. For this reason, we have established several professional testing centers here.
We want to ensure that each LED display we deliver is subject to a strict quality control.
So come with me to the testing center. I will show you all the stages in the processing and how do we do the quality controls.
This is the climate test, where displays go through low and high temperatures to examine their adaptability to environmental temperature changes. Here is the dissipation test, through the temperature chamber, to test the LED's actual dissipation performance and whether it can be used for long periods of time. This water spray device sends high-pressure moisture to the units. This will test waterproofing of the LEDs in a wet environment to ensure our high standards are met. Salt water spray is the most common and most corrosive natural environment. The salt spray test examines the LED's corrosion resistance in a simulation that artificially recreates the salt spray environment. Radiation interference is also a significant factor in a product's performance. To test the emission, sensitivity, and immunity of our products, an anechoic chamber will be constructed. This will reduce interference from external electromagnetic waves. For the protection of the user, the LED units will also go through a strict electrical safety test. By placing the packaged products on the test bench, we simulate various situations such as collisions and falls that may be encountered in actual transportation. indoor LED display series features multiple models to cover professional and commercial display needs. Profit by flip chip on-board technology. Our ZWDH-B series meets professional display needs at mini-pixel pitch levels. Contrast ratio, surface light source, and saturation are improved to provide delicate display effects for professional indoor displays. Hikvision indoor LED displays are optimal for commercial settings, including office buildings, shopping malls, and much more. Additionally, our LED screen splicing is great for conferencing situations, complete with a built-in controller and a daisy chain splicing feature. Everyone stays informed and enjoys excellent visuals. Choosing eco-friendly LED displays is becoming more important and more popular. These displays are made more conscientiously, meeting standards for sustainable manufacturing. Our outdoor LED displays are designed and produced with these standards in mind, featuring high brightness, advanced protections, and excellent heat dissipation. Hikvision outdoor LED displays can help boost attraction and revenue at outdoor shopping malls and other advertising uses. Equipped with common cathodes, our CLF/GLF series reduces energy use by up to 50%. They can also operate without air conditioning below 60 degrees Celsius 140 degrees Fahrenheit. They are economical and eco-friendly. We also provide creative LED displays in several different designs. With its built-in controller, the LED poster display is well equipped for message boards and information display. 10-piece self-splicing brings more flexibility to advertising and public communications. LED all-in-one displays feature multiple screen sizes with built-in speakers and easy projection and installation. They are perfect for conferences and many other professional uses. Transparent LED displays are suitable for advertising and retail applications. With high transparency, up to 70%, and high brightness, up to 5,000 nits, they can help stores attract more passers-by, improving traffic conversion. The LED controller is a crucial component of our displays. With the support of an intelligent algorithm engine, Hikvision's controllers create the optimal display effect, further enhancing images with auto-adjustment of its parameters.
Recently, using energy management system with OCR technology, LED display thermal detection,
We have been able to decrease the consumption of electricity at our office park by 10%. Similar measures are being taken at our manufacturing complexes. In the plant maintenance area, lighting waste has been reduced by 3.5 hours per day.
we work continuously to reduce our carbon footprint at every stage.
Today, Hikvision LEDs are being enjoyed in 155 countries worldwide, with 2,647 business partners. We are committed to providing every client with a superior viewing experience for business success. We truly know how to brighten every moment